students. Today we are going to read about chapter 4 keyboard special keys. Okay. First of all, what about a keyboard? Keyboard as per I have told in previous video of class 2 only, in chapter 3 video, keyboard is an input device. What? Keyboard is an input device. Keyboard क्या होता है? एक input device होता है. It is an input device which help you to give instructions to the computer. It's help you to give instruction to the computer. Instruction means any instruction, like if you want to say something to your parents or if you want to say something to your friends, so how will you say that one? You just speak, okay? You just speak and they will hear it and they will understood what you want to say. But for कंप्यूटर सुन देख तो नहीं सकता, इसलिए हम उसको लिख कर बताते हैं कि हमें क्या करना है. पर उसे लिख के कैसे बताएं? तो कीबोर्ड हेल्प्स अस टू राइट alphabets, words, number, letters, everything. It helps us to write everything for the given instruction to the computer. Okay. Now about a keyboard, I have already told a keyboard is an important part of a computer, that it has many different keys. It has many different keys. In keyboard, it's a very important part of a computer. Previous chapter also I have explained that one. But keyboard have so many different keys on it. A keyboard have so many different keys on it. See, this is a keyboard. In this keyboard, so many small buttons are there. That buttons are known as keys. What? Keys. That keys are distributed in 5 groups. That keys are distributed in 5 groups. What are the groups? See, first group is alphabet key. Alphabet key. Second group, number key. Third group, function key. And the fourth group is cursor key. And the last 5 group is special. These are the 5 keys which are grouped in a keyboard. Means so many different keys are there in the keyboard, and these are the 5 keys group which are in the keyboard. Let's discuss one by one each key group. Okay, we will discuss one by one each key group. First of all, we will discuss about alphabet key. Alphabet key. As you can see in this keyboard, red blue color, that blue portion of the keyboard, okay, only the blue portion of the keyboard is the alphabet key area. That area is used for only alphabet keys, alphabet buttons also you can say. Okay, then about the alphabet keys, 2 points should be known by you. Only 2 points you should know. दो चीज बस याद रखें अल्फाबेट कीज के बारे में. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, देयर आर ऑलवेज 26 अल्फाबेट्स इन योर इंग्लिश. ऑल्सो यू कैन सी देयर आर ओनली 26 अल्फाबेट A to Z, A B C D E F G H, all up to Z. There are how many? 26 are there. In keyboards also, they will provide you 26 alphabets. Okay. Second point what to remember is, this alphabet key are used to type words and sentences. What? They are used to type words and sentences. So they are the alphabet key. You can see the alphabet key portion. They are from A to Z, everyone. But they are not in order. Order means A, B, C, D. This is an order, but they are not in order. Okay, they are shuffled. मतलब उनको mix करके रखा गया. A कहीं पर, B कहीं पर, C कहीं पर, O कहीं पर, ऐसे टाइप का. ठीक है. So these are the 2 work of an alphabet key. 2 main point. You should remember that one. Alphabet key is used to type words and sentences, and they have only 26 alphabet A to Z. After the alphabet key, we will read about number keys. Number key. See, number keys are the keys which are represented by the numbers. See in that keyboard, that right color part circle. Okay, that right color part circle in the top and the right bottom corner. You can see the top and the right bottom corner. The right color part have circled. That part are the number keys. In that part, numbers are written. Okay, what are the numbers? There are 10 numbers always. Okay, in number key there are 10 numbers, 0 to 9, like in your telephone or in your phone or in your calculator. Okay, there are always 10 numbers, 0 to 9. How many 10? How 10 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Finish. 0 to 9. How many 10s are there? Okay, so 0 to 9, 10 numbers are there, and they are right. They are used to write. These number keys are used to write anything regarding numbers. मतलब anything, मतलब कुछ भी हो, अगर number कुछ type करना है, your age, your roll number, your class, if you want to type any number, you have to use the number key. After number key, these 2 points, last point what is that? Number keys are also known as numeric key. What? Numeric key. And as per you have seen that number key is placed, you can see in your keyboard also, if you have a keyboard in your house, you can see that which place I have mentioned, that red circle part. Okay, that red circle part, you can see in your keyboard that there are numbers or not. So this is about number keys. Next we will read about functions keys. Function keys are they are represented as F. What? They are represented as F. You can see in this keyboard the topmost blue part. Okay, the topmost blue keys mentioned in blue colors are the function keys. That is, it is always represented at the top of the keyboard. There are total 12 functions keys there are in the keyboards. That 12 function keys are represented by F1, F2, F3, F4 up to F12 because there are 12 in countings. Okay, that each function keys each do a different job. That each function key, F1 will do different job, F2 will different job. They all buttons or all function keys have a different jobs. What type of job they are doing? Maybe the brightness of your screen increasing, sound decreasing, brightness of decreasing, increasing, sound refresh of your refresh doing. Like that, some other functions are done by these functions keys. They are used to do some other functions regarding your project or your document in your computer. Okay, so this is about the functions keys. Function keys are used to do different jobs. So there are 12 function keys, F1 to F12, as you have seen in the keyboard. Okay, so next we will read about what? Arrow keys. What? Arrow key. As this is the next part of our functions keys. After the function key we have read about arrow key. Arrow keys are used to move the cursor on the screen. Arrow, only the name arrow indicates that what it is mean. Arrow means arrows, different directions arrows. How many directions we have? Top, bottom, right, left directions we have. These directions keys are also present in your keyboards. Okay, you can see in the keyboard the blue part indicated, that are the arrow key. Only 4 keys are there. There are only 4 arrow keys for top, for bottom, for right, for left. These arrow keys are used to move your cursor. Cursor means कौन सा? वो जो लाइन जिसमें हम लोग टाइपिंग करते हैं, जब वो टाइप होता है ना, उस लाइन को हम लोग कर्सर बोलते हैं. और हमारे जो माउस का सिंबल होता है एरो टाइप का, उसे भी हम कर्सर बोलते हैं. अगर हमारा कीबोर्ड माउस काम नहीं कर रहा है तो वी कैन यूज कर्सर टू मूव एरो. यू कैन यूज एरो टू मूव द कर्सर. ओके, एंड दिस arrow key are also known as cursor key. What? These arrow keys are also known as cursor key. As you have seen, which place the arrow keys are presented, you can see in your keyboard also. Okay, that blue part indicated. Okay, have you seen that one? Okay, then next we will read about some special keys. Special keys. This is the most important topic in this chapter because this chapter is about keyboard special key only. That other keys which we have read, they are also important, but in this chapter they are more focusing on these special keys. And what are the special keys used on a keyboard? What are the special keys used on a keyboard? There are some special keys used on a keyboard. They have their special work to do. They are used for a special purposes only. For example, one by one we will decide all the special, otherwise there are 12 special keys are there. One by one we will discuss all the 12. Okay, first of all we will discuss about the enter key. Enter key is one type of a special key. You can see the enter key which are represented in the blue color. You can see that there are 2 enter keys, one with the alphabet keys area and one with the number key areas. Okay, that 2 enter keys, what the use of that enter key? What are the use of the enter key? Why we are using enter key? Okay, this is used to move the cursor on the beginning of the next line. Means enter key is used to move the cursor. Cursor मैंने क्या बताया था? Cursor is nothing but that symbol which indicates that you are typing something. Okay, when you have typed in a line, for example this is a page, you have started from this point and you have written like this. So this page, this much page also left. इतना पेज अभी भी बचा है. ठीक है, तो क्या करोगे? जैसे ही एंटर दबाओगे ये कर्सर जो है वापस स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट में, नेक्स्ट लाइन के स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट में आ जाएगा. Understood? So cursor, the enter key used to move the cursor on the beginning or the beginning of the next line. Next line में मतलब लाइन ब्रेक करके नेक्स्ट लाइन में वो तुम्हें लाके दे देगा कर्सर. Okay. Then one more thing you have to know about enter key is it is also known as return key. It is also known as return key. Understood? The next type of special key we are going to read about is backspace key. Backspace key is one more key. You can see in that blue color I have shown in there also. This keyboard shows the backspace key in the blue color indicated. So backspace key is used as an eraser from left. It used as an eraser. ये एक इरेजर जैसा काम करता है. इरेजर किस काम क्या आता है? अगर आपने कुछ चीज गलती कर दिया, लिख दिया, गलत लिख दिया, तो आप उसे क्या कर देते हो? मिटा देते हो, राइट? So this also act as an eraser. This is used as an eraser when you are typing something. For example, when you are typing something, for example, Abhinash. Okay, Abhinash V. I have by mistake I have written V. Now where is my cursor? Here is my cursor. Cursor I symbol I have already told. Okay, cursor indicates where you are going to write something. When you want to delete from the left side, आप जब left side से delete करना चाहते हैं, left side से delete होना शुरू होगा, ठीक है? When you click once the backspace, it delete the V button. What? It delete the V word, V alphabet. It will delete when you click once the backspace. ये इरेजर जैसा काम करता है, आपका अल्फाबेट को वापस ठीक करने के काम आता है. Understood? The backspace key used as an eraser from left side. If it is working on from left side, then who is working from the right side? For example, right side working is of delete key, which we will read further. Okay, don't worry. Delete key deletes the alphabet from right side. Okay, it will start deleting from this side. A first it will delete, then B, then H, like that. But our what backspace key from left side it will delete 1, 2, 3, finish. Like that it will delete everything. So this is about backspace key. Next we will read about. This is the part from where delete keys are represented. In the keyboard you can see in red color delete keys are indicated. Red color delete keys we can indicate, and you can see in your keyboard also where it was. And delete key erase from right. What? Eraser from right side. I have already explained in previously that delete key erase from the right side. Okay. So next we will going to read bar key. What? Space bar key. Fourth number of special keys we are using a space bar key. And what is about a space bar key? You can see in the keyboard that blue part, that blue key, only one key is there in the full keyboard, only one blue key, longest one. Okay, it is a longest key on keyboard. Space bar key is the longest key on keyboard. You can see it is the longest one. Okay, what is the purpose of that key? Purpose means it is used to give space between. This is a between. Okay, it is used to give space between words. What? Space between words. For example, I have written space bar key. The space between these words, you can see a space is there. This much space are there. So what? How I given this space? While I was writing, I can give space. But while in typing, जब हम उसे type करते हम कैसे space देंगे? So for giving this space, we are using space bar key. As you can see, the space bar key is the longest key in the keyboard. Okay. After the space bar key, we are going to read about shift key. A shift key. Shift key is used with other keys. It used with other keys for different purposes. To use it for a different purposes. For example, you can see there are two shift keys are there in the left side also, in the right side also. Okay, these keys are pressed together with other keys to make their works different. For example, in keyboard, some buttons are like this. इन कीबोर्ड में कुछ बटन ऐसे भी हैं जिनमें दो चीजें हैं. हैशटैग का भी सिंबल है और 3 भी है. अगर हम इनको नॉर्मली प्रेस करेंगे तो टाइप होगा 3. अगर नॉर्मली प्रेस करेंगे तो टाइप होगा 3. बट इफ यू प्रेस शिफ्ट, व्हाट? इफ यू प्रेस शिफ्ट बटन प्लस दिस, ओके, जब हम शिफ्ट बटन को दबा के इसको भी दबाएंगे 3 को, तब निकलेगा सिर्फ हैशटैग. मीन्स एक ही बटन को डिफरेंट पर्पस के लिए यूज किया हमने विद द हेल्प ऑफ शिफ्ट. यही बटन पहले काम कर रहा था, अकेले काम कर रहा था, शिफ्ट 3 दे रहा था. ओके, बट आफ्टर दैट फॉर दिस अल्फाबेट, दिस बटन इज यूज्ड विद शिफ्ट और इसको दोनों को एक साथ दबाया तो हमारा आया हैशटैग का सिंबल. मींस दिस बटन वर्क्स एज अ डिफरेंट पर्पस आल्सो. दैट्स व्हाई सम बटन्स हैव, सो मेनी बटन्स हैव two things in there. Okay, so that for that purpose only, to use the upper part only, we are using shift key. As you have seen the shift key in your keyboard, where it is placed, you can see in your keyboard also. Okay, next we have a caps lock key. What? Caps lock key. Caps lock key. What is the use of a caps lock key? Why we are using and why it is in a special key? As you know that alphabets are of two types. हम जानते हैं कि अल्फाबेट दो तरीके से लिखे जा सकते हैं, एक स्मॉल लेटर और एक कैपिटल लेटर. Okay, for changing that, उसी को चेंज करने के लिए हम लोग यूज करते हैं कैप्स लॉक। व्हेन यू क्लिक अ कैप्स लॉक, अगर आपका पहले से स्मॉल लेटर में लिख रहा है, जब आप कैप्स लॉक दबाओगे तो वो कैपिटल लेटर में लिखना शुरू कर देगा। जब आपका कैपिटल लेटर में लिख रहा है, दोबारा कैप्स लॉक दबाओगे, वो दोबारा स्मॉल लेटर में लिखना शुरू कर देगा। तो कैप्स लॉक की इज यूज्ड फॉर typing a letter in upper case or lower case. Okay, you can see the caps lock button. Okay, caps lock, only one button is there at the left side corner. You can see blue color indicated a single button, that is a caps lock button. It was written also in the button that it's caps lock. Okay, so caps lock completed. After the caps lock, what we have? Escape key. Escape key also one is there, only one single at the top left corner, left के top side corner में caps lock button you can see. Left top side corner escape button is there, and what is the use of this escape button? आप इस escape button का काम क्या है? Escape button full form, पहले first of all this is written as ESC. Its full form is escape. Escape मतलब क्या? कहीं से भाग जाना, ये कुछ बंद कर देना, ऐसे टाइप का। तो next what we have? It is used to cancel or abort the operation. दिस इज नॉट योर मेडिकल ऑपरेशन। ओके, हॉस्पिटल वाला ऑपरेशन नहीं है। मतलब आप कुछ भी काम कर रहे हो कंप्यूटर में, तो ये उसे या तो कैंसिल कर देगा, काम बंद कर देगा, या अबॉर्ट, मतलब सेम मीनिंग है। कैंसिल और अबॉर्ट का मतलब सेम ही है, मतलब अबॉर्ट मतलब भी कैंसिल करना ही है। तो एस्केप की इज यूज्ड टू कैंसिल द ऑपरेशन गोइंग ऑन ए कंप्यूटर। अगर कंप्यूटर में कोई भी काम चल रहा है, आप चाहते हो उसे तुरंत बंद करना, तो तुरंत बंद करने के लिए आपको दबाना पड़ेगा एस्केप की, एज शोन इन द कीबोर्ड। ओके, that blue button at the top left corner, first button, which is known as escape key. Understood about this 6 and 7 number special keys, caps lock and escape key. Next we have two more key which are similar to each other, that are control key and alt key. Let's see about that one. Now we have a control key and alt key. CTRL key stands for control key. Okay, this control key is used for special operations only, special operations or a shortcut operation you can say. How means, for copy or paste anything in a computer, we have so many long procedure. Okay, long procedure means first of all go to the file, go to like that. So many long procedures are there. But with the help of the control key, we have a shortcut keys. What shortcut keys? Control with the control key, press any alphabet which have their special purposes. For example, V alphabet. What? V. V normally it is alone. Its alone work as a V. When you click this one, the V will be typed on the screen. But when it is clicked with the CTRL plus V, it will act as a paste. What? Act as a paste option. Which option? Paste option. Okay. So you can see the control keys. There are two control keys are in the keyboard. The bottom side, two control keys are the keyboard. In the blue color it was indicated. Okay, so in this control key, while clicking this, आप control key को दबा के रखकर और किसी अल्फाबेट को अगर दबाते हैं जिनका कोई स्पेशल काम है, मतलब हिडन टैलेंट टाइप का, जैसे कि V का हिडन टैलेंट है कि वो किसी भी चीज को पेस्ट कर देगा अगर तुमने कट या कॉपी किया है। तो ये कट या कॉपी के बारे में तुम लोग फ्यूचर में पढ़ोगे, और कंट्रोल कीज के बारे में भी फ्यूचर में पढ़ोगे। और तो जस्ट वेट फॉर दैट, बस जस्ट टू नो दैट कंट्रोल कीज आर यूज्ड फॉर ए स्पेशल ऑपरेशंस. And alt key same as control key. This is are also used for special operations, but their operations and control operations are not same. They have a different operations. Okay, so these are the control key and the alt key. Next, what we will going to read about window key. Window keys you can see in the keyboard. There was one window key only, and this blue color indicated, and they are between the alt and left side alt and control key. बिटवीन लेफ्ट साइड अल्ट एंड कंट्रोल की के बीच में ही विंडोज की होता है। और विंडोज की का काम क्या होता है? ये किसी भी काम को जल्दी से जल्दी करने में हेल्प करता है, अगर इसको भी प्रेस करके तुमने कोई काम करना चाहा तो। ओके, मोर इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग व्हाट वी हैव नो अबाउट विंडो की इज व्हेन यू क्लिक ऑन द विंडो की, जब आप विंडो की में क्लिक करते हैं तो जो स्टार्ट मेन्यू होता है वो तुरंत खुल जाता है। ओके, यू डोंट हैव टू गो फॉर द स्टार्ट मेन्यू एंड क्लिक इट. व्हेन यू क्लिक द विंडो की डायरेक्टली इट विल ओपन द start menu. So this is the special purpose we are using window key in the keyboard. So when your mouse is not working, you can open the things in the window key. Okay. So next what we have, three more we have left. Okay, home key, end key and punctuation key. Let's read about that one. Done is home key left, end key and punctuation key. What? Punctuation key. First I will read about home key. See, Home key is a button in the blue color it was indicated. Home key was used to bring your cursor in the starting point. Means आपने जहां से लिखना स्टार्ट किया है कर्सर को वहीं वापस पहुंचाने के लिए आपको होम की को प्रेस करना पड़ेगा. So this is the work of a home key, to move the cursor to the starting point of the letter or a document or operation what you are doing. Starting point, okay. And what about the end key? End key is just opposite to the home key. How means end key is used to bring the cursor at the end of the line or at the end of the document what you are writing or letter, okay. So this is about home key and end key. You can see the end key option also there, okay. In the blue color it was indicated end key. Now next what we have, the last topic in our this video is punctuation key. What about the punctuation? As you know, what is the punctuation mean? Punctuation is nothing but comma, hyphen, semicolon, like that. These symbols are known as in punctuation key. To write any document, to write any letter, कोई भी पैराग्राफ लिखना होता है, full stop, comma, hyphen, इन सब चीज की जरूरत पड़ती ही पड़ती है. तो इसीलिए punctuation keys are also there. You can see that blue color, they are just little bit just side of the alphabet key. वो just alphabet key के right side में ही है. सारे के सारे punctuation key वहीं पर है. If you want any punctuation key, you can use from there. Okay. But some punctuation keys are of two-way. Okay. Bottom also, upper one also. So you have to use the shift key to use the punctuation key. So as this video concluded with these topics, home key, end key and punctuation key, okay. I hope you all have understood well, and thank you for watching and have a nice day.